Management. It's something we see everywhere, in offices, schools, hospitals, even at home. But have you ever wondered how management became a structured discipline? Today we talk about Henri Fayol, the father of modern management, and his famous administrative theory. Henri Fayol was a French mining engineer and manager in the early 1900s. While others like Frederick Taylor focused on improving productivity at the worker level, Fayol focused on managing the organization from the top. Fayol believed that management is a universal process, and he broke it down into functions and principles that any manager can follow. He defined 5 key functions of management that every good manager should master. 1. Planning, setting goals and deciding how to achieve them. 2. Organizing, arranging resources and people to do the work. 3. Commanding, giving orders and guiding the team. 4. Coordinating, making sure departments work in sync. 5. Controlling, monitoring progress and correcting problems. Sounds familiar? That's because modern management still uses these functions. Now comes the core of Fayol's theory, the 14 principles of management. Let's break them down with simple examples. 1. Division of work. Specialization improves efficiency, like how a teacher teaches, and a clerk manages records. 2. Authority responsibility. Managers must have the right to give orders, but they're also responsible for results. 3. Discipline. Respect and rules matter. No discipline, no productivity. 4. Unity of command. Each employee should get orders from one boss only. Unity of direction. One goal, one plan, one leader for each activity. 6. Subordination of individual interest. Company goals come before personal interests. 7. Remuneration. Fair pay keeps employees motivated and loyal. 8. Centralization. Balance between top-level control and team autonomy. 9. Scalar chain. Clear chain of command from top to bottom. 10. Order. Everything and everyone should be in the right place. 11. Equity. Be fair and kind to your employees. 12. Stability of tenure. High turnover equals low stability. Keep your team long-term. 13. Initiative. Let employees take ownership and be creative. 14. Esprit de corps. Build team spirit. Unity is strength. Fayol's administrative theory laid the foundation of modern management. Today, HR policies, leadership training, and organizational design still reflect his principles. His theory works for both big corporations and small startups because it's about clarity, structure, and responsibility. So next time you're working in a team, managing a project, or even leading a school event, remember Fayol. Plan well, organize smart, lead with purpose, and always promote teamwork. Which of Fayol's 14 principles do you think is the most important today? Comment below. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more management concepts.